Hello and welcome to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I am Maithili and these are the headlines. Citizens stage protest in solidarity with the rape and murder victim from Kolkata, calling for improved safety measures for women. Rally held at Margao Municipality Building. And now let's begin with our main story. In a powerful demonstration of solidarity and outrage, citizens staged a protest rally on Friday, demanding swift justice for the rape and murder victim from Kolkata and calling for improved safety measures for women. The rally was held in front of the Margao Municipality Building and was organized in response to the horrific crime that has shocked the nation.
The Kolkata case involves the brutal assault and murder of a trainee doctor at R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital, an incident that has sparked widespread outrage and calls for justice. The victim's tragic death has drawn national attention, leading to protests and demands for accountability and systemic reforms to protect women. Friday's rally saw participants, including women and students, raise their voices against violence and inadequate safety measures. The demonstrators carried banners and chanted slogans urging immediate action and systemic reforms. They also emphasized the need for educating men about women's rights to prevent future incidents of gender-based violence.
I respect my brothers. I respect my brothers because they should be there. We are a nation of Rakhi. We are tying Rakhi to our brother. They are born from a woman. So how dare you do this type of an act with her? I want rape to stop. And it's not just about Calcutta. It's about any place. It happens in Goa. A 2-year-old girl was raped. Do you know this? Recently. Because I handle the one-stop center South Goa, so I get in touch with all the things that are happening there. So what do we do? For whom do we cry? And should we always cry? Should we always demand? And about a stringent act. Unless investigation is done properly, there will be no stringency in any act. It is at the investigation level that the law keepers have to work real hard. They have to see that they gather every bit of evidence. And I'm hoping that this case will go to its logical end. The girl whom we have lost, very dear to us, should get justice. All our doctors in India should get justice. All our women working in the night shift should get justice. All women who are forced to work, there are single women sometimes. They don't have a male with them. So what should they do? So these are questions that need to be answered.
At last म्हाका खरंच गूजबम्स येता उलयतना की आमकां तुमी एट लास्ट रियलायज करून दिता की आमी बायलांच कित्याक आमकां बॉडी तसली तुमच्या दादल्या भशेन आमकां बॉडी दिवना आमकां एक डिफरंट बॉडी दिला म्हणून आमकां हे रियलायज करून दिता की आमी कितलेय शिकूं डॉक्टर जावं इंजिनियर जावं एडवोकेट जावं आनी कसले IPS ऑफिसर जावं एट लास्ट वी हॅव टू रियलायज दॅट वी आर विमन बिकॉज वी हॅव अ डिफरंट बॉडी कितें चल्लां आमचे धाकले भुरग्यांक आमी बायलांक आमचे चोडवांक इतले शिकयता दुसरे प्लेसीन आमी धाडटा पण आमी कशें आमी एज मदर हाव आर वी सपोज टू कीप एश्योरन्स दॅट आवर चायल्ड वील बी सेफ दॅट आवर गर्ल वील बी सेफ हांव म्हणटा हे जें जालां हे अशें आनी मुखार जावपा जायना जर गव्हर्मेंट इफ गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट रेकग्नायझींग दीस एज अ ब्रुटल आनी एकदम सामकें वायट गोश्ट म्हणटा पळय जर हे अजून समजून घेना गव्हर्मेंट आनी बायलांचे सेफ्टी खातीर कांय करना तर हांव म्हणटा की आनी असल्या दादल्यां पासून बायलांक जल्मान हाडपाची न्ही तशें जालें जर तांकां तेजी सेफ्टीच करपाचें हें ना तर
आमी पळयतात की आमची कंट्री डेमोक्रेटीक कंट्री आमी पळयतात देर इज इक्वॉलिटी मॅन एंड वुमन म्हणटात आमी अजुनूय आमची खरीच हिची इक्वॉलिटी आसा हो व्हडलो क्वेश्चन मार्क म्हज्या कोतान ना ल्हान भुरगें ते व्हडली बायल हाका कोणूच सारके नदरेन पळयना आजकाल आमी पळयतात ल्हान भुरग्यांचे रेप जातात जॉबला आनी सबला सुद्दां ते आसा तांकां खऱ्या सेक्युरिटी ना सो आमचे सगळ्यांचो आज हांगा जमून सगळ्यांचो एकूच डिमांड की बायलांक सेक्युरिटी मेळची जर कोणी धाडस करता बायलांचे दोळे उगडून असो पळोवपाक जाल्यार ताजे दोळे केन्नाच काडून घेतले वचपाक जाय आज रेप जावप हे कॉमन जालां पूण ताचेर आमी कितें करतात गव्हर्मेंट खंय बसला ओगी शांत हें जावंक फावना. हाजे मुखार बायलांक तितलेंच स्वातंत्र्य मेळपाक जाय जशें आमी म्हणटात की मेळ्ळां, पूण तें अजून मेळूना. ही सगळीं जी आमी आज हांगा जमल्या ताचो एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की जो कोण धाडस करतलो ताजी पायरी ताका दाखोवंक मेळूंक जाय. आज एकट्यान धाडस केलें, फाल्यां 2 जाणां करतात. सो म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना एकटोच हें पावल उबारता ताजेच पावल जर थंयच बंद जालें जाल्यार फुडलो कोण हें धाडस करूंक पावचो ना. आनी असो लॉ आयल्या शिवाय आमकां गत्यंतर ना. आनी आसा जाल्यार ताजी अंमलबजावणी 100% जावपाक जाय आनी बायलांक सेक्युरिटी ही मेळपाकूच जाय.
We all know about what happened in Calcutta, but basically we are demanding justice, speedy justice. We want the justice delayed is basically justice denied. We all know that. We want the victim and her family should get closure on this issue. We also want safety of women. I am also a working woman. We demand that in all workplaces, women of all cadres should be provided with security. It should be the issue of the state and of course individual players to make sure that women are provided with this, and it is our right. We also look to seek to educate men. I think sons and husbands and men of the community have also to be educated about women's rights, what it is good touch, bad touch, what is permissible and what is not. So we look to a better society and we hope for optimistic for a better future by efforts that we will make.
की आमी गायांक सांबाळटात आनी बायलांचे मास्क करून घालतात आनी ताका बलात्कार करतात. हे कसले न्याय रे, हे कसले न्याय. आमचे पब्लीक स्पेसीस आमचे गव्हर्मेंटीतून इतले आसा, लोक बायलांचे अन्याय करतात आनी ते कोणूय सांबाळना. पयलीं निर्भय आसल्या आतां हे जाला. ही इश्यू अशी जावंक जायना की आमी थोडो आवाज केलो, थोडे टीव्ही बायट्स घेतले आनी मागीर सगळे विसरून गेले. एवरी पॉलिटिशियन, every public figure should have a record where he has not interfered with women. Those people should not be protected, whether it's by the head of state or the head of government or the head of the family.
The rally was supported by several local organizations including the Indian Medical Association, Young Women's Christian Association Goa, Bailancho Ekvot and Margaon Mahila Mandal. Their collective message was clear: urgent reforms are needed to ensure women's safety and hold perpetrators accountable. Sandeep Tuekar, Manish Parab and Vaishnavi Sargaonkar for Goa 365.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant held a press conference on Friday to discuss the upcoming exposition, which is set to begin on November 21st. The 45-day event is expected to draw thousands of visitors from around the world. This year, the event will be organized into specific functional areas and a new online portal will be introduced to streamline event management. Here are more details from the Chief Minister.
आज त्याचा पुरा रिव्ह्यू घेतलो अलॉंग विथ ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स. आमी जेका म्हणटा फंक्शनल एरियाज आमी डिसायड केले आनी फंक्शनल एरियाजचे हेड्स हू वील बी द फंक्शनल एरिया हेड ते आयच्या कमिटीच्या उपरांत डिसायड करतले आनी वी आर डेजिग्नेटिंग द वन ऑफिसर फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर फंक्शनल एरिया आनी ताच्या उपरांत दे वील टेक केअर ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर फंक्शनल एरिया. दॅट इज द वन. सेकंड, वी आर फर्स्ट टायम आमी वेबसायट पोर्टल अलॉंग विथ द चर्च we are launching within short span of time so that every pilgrimage will register so that we can facilitate to them for all purpose, for the accommodation purpose, for everything. त्याच्या खातीर मदत जाय ही आमी दिवपाक शकतले. ताच्या खातीर तेय बी आमी ह्या फावटी रजिस्ट्रेशन करून घेता. नियोना मास हे 21 नोव्हेंबरांतल्यान सुरवात जाता. 45 days हो इव्हेंट चलतलो आनी माविलन सांगल्याच्या प्रमाणे दिस इव्हेंट वील बी द इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट. सो दॅट जो VVIP देता ताका VVIP खातीर आमी जी फेसिलिटी दिवपाक जाय, जो प्रोटोकॉल दिवपाक जाय आमचे कडल्यान, तो ताका प्रोटोकॉल आनी त्या पद्दतीन ताका तिको प्रोटोकॉलूय दिलो वतलो. एक्सपोजिशन ऑफ द सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर जाता. अगेन दीस इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट माविनान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे कसलीच कमी उरची ना इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी ना एकंदर फंक्शनाचो इव्हेंट त्या स्टँडर्डाचेर व्हरपा खातीर. कारण इंटरनॅशनल गेस्ट ह्या फंक्शना खातीर येता खातीर ते 45 days सेफ्टी, सेक्युरिटी अँड फॉर ऑल द रेस्ट ऑफ द इव्हेंट खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन जावपा खातीर जे पिलिग्रिमेज म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा की जे फिजिकली डिजाबल्ड आसतले, सिनियर सिटीजन्स आसतले, हांच्या खातीर सुद्दां वेगळो कॉरिडॉर दर्शन घेवपा खातीर थंयसर आसतलो. त्या खातीर आनी वेगवेगळ्या पद्दत जाता ती मासीस थंयसरची जाता तेन्नाय बी फेसिलिटीज दिवपा खातीरय बी म्हणजे अलॉंग विथ द ओल्ड गोवा चर्च फादर आनी तांच्या बरोबरीन कोऑर्डिनेशनान लोकांक सगळ्यांक फेसिलिटेट करपा खातीर सरकार आपल्या परीन पुराय हे काम करता. त्या खातीर आयची मिटींग ओनली सक्सेसफूल जाल्या उपरांत म्हणजे परत एकदा हांवूय फिल्डार वचून विजीट करून पर्सनली पळयतलो, पर्सनली मॉनिटर करतलो.
I have always been saying that although the exposition is a religious event, but then there are millions of people from all over the world who travel to Goa. And that alone or event is also a state event, not only an event of the church, but also a state event, and that is how the government is supportive and we collaborate to make this event a fruitful one. I am thankful and I am hopeful that the government will speed up the works which they have been doing so that we are ready with the preparation at least by the 15th of November. Suglan Devbaritu.
We had a lengthy discussions on various proposals set up by the Exposition Secretariat, and we assure you, Goan people as well as all those who are watching us live now, that this exposition will be better in terms of facilities provided. It will be better in terms of people who will be coming to Goa, and all the preparations are underway, and Chief Minister is closely following all these preparations. Once again, as Father Henry, the convener, has said, on behalf of the entire Church of Goa and the pilgrims visiting us, we would like to thank each and every member who are contributing to this exposition.
Dylan Rodriguez, Subhashish Kovekar and Muzaif Sheikh for Goa 365.
We'll take a short break. Stay with us. And now for the weather. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a weather bulletin warning of light to moderate rainfall across most parts of North and South Goa. The bulletin also highlights the possibility of heavy rainfall at isolated locations accompanied by winds gusting up to 50 kilometers per hour. Here's more on the weather.
For the next few days, we can expect the weather to remain unsettled with similar conditions forecasted until the 29th of August. Residents are advised to stay vigilant as waterlogging, traffic congestion and localized flooding are likely in low-lying areas. The authorities have also warned of potential disruptions to power and municipal services, urging the public to take necessary precautions. Low-pressure areas over the Arabian Sea and northeast India continue to influence the weather across Goa. Light to moderate rainfall is expected over the next 7 days, with the possibility of heavy showers and gusty winds in some areas. Fishermen have been advised to avoid venturing into the sea, with strong winds predicted to create hazardous conditions along the coast. Residents are urged to stay alert for potential flooding and disruptions to essential services. Yellow alert issued until August 27th. Unsettled. Weather likely to continue. Low pressure area over Arabian Sea continue to influence weather. Light to moderate rainfall expected. Maximum and minimum temperatures for Saturday 31 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Fishermen advised against venturing out to sea. Bureau report, Goa 365 with input.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. And for more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.